Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Clinpro toothpaste is probably one of the most sought-after dental care products for those looking to significantly improve their oral hygiene, offering a unique blend of ingredients designed to strengthen enamel, prevent cavities, and leave your mouth feeling exceptionally clean and refreshed, making it a standout choice in a crowded market for anyone serious about maintaining a healthy smile. Number 5. Sensodyne Repair and Protect Whitening Toothpaste. Discover the advanced formula designed to repair and protect your sensitive teeth. Experience a brighter smile with its effective whitening properties. This toothpaste goes beyond regular care by actively repairing weakened areas of your teeth. It provides lasting relief from sensitivity, allowing you to enjoy your favorite foods and drinks again. Achieve a naturally whiter smile without compromising the health of your enamel. Its gentle whitening action lifts stains, revealing a brighter, healthier-looking smile. Protect your teeth from cavities with every brush. This formula strengthens your enamel, forming a protective barrier against acid attacks. Ensure you never run out of your essential oral care. This convenient pack provides a long-lasting supply for continuous protection and repair. Embrace a confident smile with improved sensitivity relief and noticeable whitening. It's the smart choice for comprehensive oral health. What we like. This toothpaste offers advanced repair for sensitive teeth, actively working to mend and protect. It also provides a gentle whitening effect, making it ideal for those seeking both relief and a brighter smile. If you have sensitive teeth and want to whiten them safely, this is a great choice. What people say. This toothpaste is great for sensitive teeth. It really helps to prevent cavities. My dentist recommended it and I'm glad I tried it. Number 4. Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair Toothpaste. Introducing Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair. It's designed to help reharden and strengthen your enamel. This toothpaste is specifically formulated for sensitive teeth. It provides effective care and relief. Its advanced formula works to actively reharden weakened enamel. You'll feel a difference in strength and resilience. Enjoy a lasting feeling of extra freshness after every brush. It leaves your mouth feeling clean and revitalized. This convenient pack includes 3 tubes of toothpaste. Ensure you always have this essential oral care product on hand. What we like. This option focuses on intensive enamel repair, specifically designed to strengthen and reharden weakened enamel. It's formulated for sensitive teeth, offering protection and resilience. If your enamel feels compromised or you're prone to sensitivity, this product will help rebuild and fortify. What people say. This toothpaste is great for sensitive teeth. It helps to prevent cavities and strengthen enamel. My dentist recommended it, and I've seen a noticeable improvement in my oral health. Number 3. Boka Fluoride-Free Kids Toothpaste, Watermelon Mint. Introducing a toothpaste designed specifically for your child's delicate smile. It provides effective cleaning without harsh chemicals. This formula features nanohydroxyapatite, a naturally occurring mineral. It works to strengthen and protect their developing teeth. We believe in a fluoride-free approach to oral care for children. You can feel confident knowing it's safe and gentle. Make brushing fun with a refreshing watermelon mint taste they'll love. It encourages regular and enjoyable brushing habits. This convenient 4-ounce tube is perfect for small hands and travel. It ensures they have access to great oral hygiene wherever they go. Choose Boka for a healthier, happier smile for your child. It's the smart choice for their daily oral care routine. What we like. This toothpaste is a fantastic fluoride-free option, utilizing nanohydroxyapatite for remineralization. It comes in a fun watermelon mint flavor that kids will love. If you're looking for a natural approach to oral care for your children or prefer to avoid fluoride, this is an excellent alternative. What people say. This toothpaste is great for sensitive teeth. It really helps to prevent cavities. My dentist recommended it and I'm glad I tried it. Number 2. Boka Kids Toothpaste, Orange Cream. Introducing Boka Kids Toothpaste, a gentle yet effective way to care for your child's smile. It's specially formulated for their delicate needs. Our toothpaste is fluoride-free, making it a safe choice for your little ones. You can have peace of mind knowing it's made with their well-being in mind. It features nano-hydroxyapatite, a key ingredient known for its oral health benefits. This advanced formula helps strengthen and protect their teeth. Make brushing fun with our delightful orange cream flavor. They'll love the taste, and you'll love their healthy smile. Designed for kids' oral care, this toothpaste is perfect for daily use. Give them the best start for a lifetime of healthy teeth. Each tube comes in a convenient 4-ounce size, ideal for your family's needs. It's the perfect addition to their daily routine. What we like? Another great fluoride-free choice, this toothpaste also features nano-hydroxyapatite for effective enamel care. The orange cream flavor is designed to make brushing enjoyable for children. If your child dislikes traditional mint flavors or you're seeking a gentle, effective, and fluoride-free toothpaste, this is a perfect fit. What people say. This is a prescription-strength toothpaste that is great for preventing cavities. It has a unique formula that helps to remineralize tooth enamel and protect against acid erosion. The toothpaste has a pleasant taste and leaves your mouth feeling clean and fresh. Number 1. CloSYS SLS Free Toothpaste Gentle Mint. Introducing CloSYS SLS Free Toothpaste. Experience a gentle yet effective clean for your teeth and gums. This toothpaste is formulated with fluoride to help strengthen your enamel and protect against cavities. Enjoy a refreshing clean without the harshness of SLS. Its gentle formula is kind to your mouth. Savor the mild and refreshing gentle mint flavor. It leaves your mouth feeling clean and revitalized. Get more of what you love with this generous 7-ounce size. It's perfect for the whole family. Trust CloSYS for your oral care needs. This toothpaste delivers a superior clean and a comfortable experience. What we like? This toothpaste is formulated without SLS, making it a gentle option for those with sensitivities or who prefer milder ingredients. It contains fluoride for cavity protection and has a pleasant, mild mint taste. If you experience irritation from SLS or are looking for a straightforward, effective toothpaste with fluoride and a gentle flavor, this is a solid pick. What people say. Clinpro Toothpaste is a unique toothpaste that contains a remineralizing ingredient that helps to strengthen and protect teeth. It is also a great option for people who are looking for a toothpaste that can help to reduce sensitivity. The toothpaste has a pleasant taste and leaves your mouth feeling clean and fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.